Welcome to Bigfix 4Biz dashboard, the ultimate solution for after-sale warranty management. In the dashboard page, we are providing you everything that you need at your fingertip: profile, analytics, placing an order, and managing each order types and recent activities. Next will come the user profile. User profile will show you all the user details, billing details, and if you want to edit, you can go on the edit option. After verifying the user credential, you can update the user details. After submission, you may able to see the edited one, means updated one user profile. Next will show you all the updated user profile. Next will come the company profile. In the company profile, you can show the company details and the documents: GST, Aadhaar card, PAN card, agreement. If you want to upload, you can click on the upload document of that section and upload the document. Next will come the payment. In the payment, we will show the big cash, security deposit, outstanding payments, and outstanding handling charges and pending payment. Pending payment, you can manage the invoices. It will show all the orders that payment is pending. You can select more than one order and confirm for payment and click to pay. In the payment section, there is one more section is there which will show the recent transaction. It will show the recent payment transaction. Next, in the manage order will come place an order. Place an order is there two types, either single order or bulk order. In case of bulk, you have to select the service types and download a template. After downloading, you can upload all the device information in the template and upload here and submit it. In case of single order, you have to fill the device details and the customer details, which are mandatory, and click on the submit button. Select the service types, brand, model number, IME number, engagement type, client reference number, issue, and description. After that, you have to submit the customer details. Address line 1, 2, city, state and pin code, and submit it. After submit, you have to verify the device details and the customer details and confirm. Once it is confirmed, then your order is placed for that particular section. Suppose right now I have done a claim order, so I am able to see in the claim order section that order. It is a fresh lead. I am able to view the order details and click on the view. The detailed order details are there. If the partner is attached, it will show the other details are the partner details and the status also, job card, estimation, document, and invoices. Right now it is just a fresh lead, so it's not showing anything. I will show you one more claim order which is having that, because it is delivered one which is having the other details, documents, and attached with it a job card, estimation, document, and invoices. Next will show the repair orders, installed orders. Just like in claim order, we have few more sections for the other order details also. Next will come the reports. In the reports, you have to select the start date and the end date, and you are able to see and download the Excel file showing all the reports of the order that you have placed between the start and the end date. Next will come the API. We are providing you so many APIs. For each the API, if you want to activate, you have to contact us and make activation of that API. Next will come the partner search. We are providing you the partners which are available to us. Enter the pin code and click on the search. We will show you all the list of the partners that are linked with us. We are also providing the cost calculator, which will give you roughly cost for the particular device, brand and model, and the problem type, labor cost, spare parts, and booking cost.